Setting up a call recording group. Go to Features, click on Call Recording, click New, give your group a name. Let's call it the Sales Group. Now you've got a choice. Do you want to record inbound calls and outbound calls, and also a percentage of calls? I would leave this all set as default for the time being. Now the most important bit is how long do you want to keep these calls for? So you've got an option from don't save at all, which I'll explain why you would set that feature in a second, right the way up to 365 days or 366. This allows it just to roll over an extra day at the end of the year. I'm going to set this to 60 days. Now you do have a choice that if you wish to for the call recordings to be emailed out. Now keep in mind that if the emails are too big because the call recordings are too big, your email system that you're sending it to could actually reject the email, and therefore they may not get through. So keep that in mind if you're going to set this feature. The other feature is to set up an SFTP to enable calls to be stored externally. In this example, this is a basic setup of a call recording group, so I'm going to leave that set as default for now, as set to no. I'm going to click Save. What's appeared at the top here is you need to make sure that you fall within the current regulations of call recording. If you're happy that you do, please just click OK. And now you've created your record group. What this allows you to do is add this new call recording group to various options. So for instance, you can add it to a hunt group, you can add it to an incoming number, you can add it to a telephone line. So if we have a quick look at numbers, and I'll click on this number here, you can see that there's a new box appeared called the record group, and at the moment this number's set to no record group. When I select the option, the sales group now appears. I click on the sales group, click Save. Now any inbound call that comes into that number, the call will now be recorded. Again, if you particularly want to record outbound calls, then my suggestion is put it on the extensions. So you can click here, and if I come down here, I can now see that call recording has now appeared as an option down here. I click on that, click Sales again, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save. I've now enabled call recording on that one extension. If you want to do it on hunt groups, click on the hunt group. You can see that the call recording group has now appeared here, and you can click Sales. Now you can't record an IVR, so if you wish to record an IVR, you would need to set up a feature code first, record the feature code, and then point the feature code to the IVR. Most people have the telephone number pointing to an IVR, so that would be the place to do the call recording.